Hello and welcome to Ben's Addiction. Today I just want to do something very simple, but it affects the look of the car significantly. If you have any Mercedes-Benz, you might have this issue with fogged up headlight lenses like this. It's sun faded, the clear coat is gone at this point, and it really needs a good restoration, because otherwise you lose some of your lights and visibility at the front, especially at nights, and that affects the aesthetics of your Mercedes-Benz as well. So it's very simple, half an hour job. Let's go through it and make this happen and make these headlights look beautiful again. It's going to be long lasting because I'm going to clear coat them at the end with a very simple process. Okay, first of all, let's go ahead and apply some tape around the headlight, because when sanding, we just don't want to damage the paint itself. I'm gonna use a spray, water spray, and 1500 sandpaper grit. Get rid of the sun faded clear coat on top. All this yellow material are sunburned clear coat. So if we now should compare this headlight with the one not sanded, you will see that all the old clear coat is taken off, which is great. So now let's go ahead and clean the lens and start up the polishing process. Okay, both headlights are now dry and clean. I now go ahead and use my polishing pad and the polisher, but you can use your hand as well. It's only the matter of time. So the final result not gonna change with this or with doing this job manually. First, I'm going to use some polishing compound. Then I will use polishing. Okay, after using only compound, this is the right hand side and this is the left hand side headlight. So we are progressing, and in the next step the headlights will become much brighter and shinier. The next step, we applied the polish. Okay, so the right hand side headlight is polished and the left hand side is not. So I can see from the brightness we have over here, it's shinier on the right hand side than the left hand. So let's go ahead and finish off the left hand side as well, and then we'll apply clear coat so our work will be lasting for a longer time and not just few weeks. So now we're going to clean up the lenses again For the final clear coat, so here I'm going to use the 3M Quick Headlight Clear Coat. You can use any clear coat that you like, but this one I have tested before and it's working perfectly for me. And it applies very easily. You just need to apply evenly on the surface of the headlight without hitting it twice. So we just pass one time, making sure we cover all of the headlight. So here is what in the package, and as soon as you bring it out, you should use it on each headlight. But this one single one in a pack of 2 is enough to cover 4 headlights that we have over here for the W210. So we shouldn't actually unfold the wipe. Okay, here is the final results, and I put the before and after photos so you can see for yourself. This is looking very good for me, and it has completely changed the tired and exhausted look of this W210 to a much younger car. So I really recommend you to do this if your headlights are sun faded, so you will get more brightness at night time as well as better look. Okay guys, as usual, thanks so much for watching, liking, subscribing. Have a great day. Bye.
Let's go.